Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing you guys another DIY. Today I'm going to be doing how to make your very own galaxy slime room decor. Woohoo! Let's go ahead and get started. Now don't forget to comment, subscribe, and give this video a huge thumbs up if you think this is an awesome DIY. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. What you will need is, you'll need some clear washable glue. I'm using the 9-ounce one. You can use 2 of them, like 2 of these, but like the tiny ones. So I'm going to be using clear, make sure it's clear glue. You're going to need something to stir with. I'm using the back of a fork. A bowl. You'll need 2 bowls. Some glitter. I'm using glitter packets and it comes with 16 colors, contains 16 glitter packets. And it's like, it comes like, and it costs $2 at Walmart, and it comes with a bunch of these colors. And it's really cool, so you're going to need glitter. I'm using these. Some Tide, and if you don't know what Tide is, it's technically laundry detergent, but make sure it's Tide. And yeah. Okay, start off by getting your 2 bowls and pouring your glue in there. Pour the same amount in both. Oh yeah, that's good. I also forgot to say, guys, you're also going to need a mason jar. Mason jar. I got mine at Walmart. Okay, now you have it like this. All you want to do is just add your glitter. Glitter! Go open my glitter. So hard. Oh my gosh. Good. Glittery. Oh my gosh. So much glitter. Got 1 glitter. Now pour a little of your glitter. You don't want too much of each one. You want a little. Just pour a lot, but like different types. Okay, you get me, guys. Pour some gray glitter. Oh my gosh. I don't know what happened. The gray glitter. Now just pour glitter. There. And now I'm going to pour a little bit of blue. Okay. And if you're wondering where I got my glitter, I got mine at Walmart as well. Because I went to Walmart and I had $20 to spend, and I spent it all on DIYs for you guys. Okay, so I'm pouring some blue in. There. Okay, now just add your laundry detergent, but I'm going to add one last color, and that's going to be black. Black. Just a little bit of black. Now, add your laundry detergent, and then mix it up. Add a little bit. And now mix it up. Make sure it's Tide laundry detergent, because if it isn't, I don't really think it's going to work out well. because when I tried it with the other laundry detergents, it didn't really work out. So yeah, just mix it up. I'm going to do it to my other one. Now mix both of your things that you made into one bowl. Like this. Now mix it up really, really well. Now kind of test it a little. And then put it in your other bowl. In your other container. Now wash this one with water and soap. Now leave it in laundry detergent for 3 minutes. Now that your 3 minutes have passed, all you want to do is get it out. But before you get it out with a bag. I'm going to just be getting this plastic thing and just getting it out. I know, it's going to be a little soaky, but oh well. Now just take it to the sink and wash it. Oopsies. Sorry, guys. And there you go, guys. It's literally slime. I'm gonna dry my hands. Oh, wait. Sorry, guys. So yeah. Now put it in your mason jar. Because it's a room decor, and when you want to play with it, you can just get it out. Wait. I think it's getting stuck lately. But oh well, at least you got your very own slime. Yeah. Now, if you don't have enough, just make more and more and more. Make more if needed. I'm going to make a lot more, so yeah. So I hope you guys have enjoyed how to make this awesome. Really awesome room decor. And yeah, this is a really awesome, cute and cool room decor because it's really cute. So look. What if I say I'm going to put it right there? So my friends come in and they're like, ooh, cool, I like your room. What is this? Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed how to make this awesome DIY because it's really cute. And you can also make patterns like I did. You can't really see it, but okay, yeah, so you can see like some purple, some like it's changing right here, it kind of gets into golder. And then it gets into a little whiter, and then some purpler, and it's really awesome. And I put some pink right there to make it more galaxy style type of thing. And yeah, and you can just put it in your mason jar or in another jar, but I prefer mason jars. And yeah, and I'm just gonna keep it right here in my nightstand, and that'll be awesome right there. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed how to make this awesome DIY slime, galaxy slime. And then when your friends come and you want to play something, play slime, and then just get it out, so like I am. Just open it, and get it out and play. awesome. It doesn't really get stuck to your fingers. It barely does. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye guys. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, give this video a huge thumbs up. So yeah, bye guys. Toodles! Psst.